Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, okay? And hit on that bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, you always get notified. And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. So, guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this vegetable sauce that you can eat with your yam, your rice, and even your swallow. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients to you. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this vegetable sauce. For my vegetable, I'm using pumpkin leaf, but you can use any vegetable of your choice. I have my green and red scotch bonnet pepper. I also have my red chili pepper. I've already removed the seeds. And here I have my chopped onion and garlic. The garlic is optional. So I have my pomo. I have my cooked beef here. And I have my smoked mackerel fish. So guys, I'm going to start now by picking my pumpkin leaf. I'm going to be showing you guys how I pick my pumpkin leaf. So this is how I pick my leaf. I just pick it like this. I don't pick the stem. So guys, I'm gonna head to wash my pumpkin leaf. I will start now to slice it, okay? If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay? And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So this is me slicing my vegetable. So guys, I will start now by adding in my red oil in a dried clean pot. I'm just going to allow the oil to get hot, okay, before adding in the next ingredient. I'm not bleaching the oil. So guys, I'll be going in now with my chopped garlic and onions. And I'm just going to stir this, allow to fry for 2 minutes, okay, so that the garlic and the onions can release its flavor into the oil. So now I'm going to be adding in my pepper mix. And then I'm going to stir and I will cover the pot, allow this to fry for some minutes. So guys, our pepper mix has been frying for some time now. So now I'm just going to stir this before going in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to be adding in my salt now. And then I will stir this to properly combine everything together. So now I'll be going in with my protein. I'm starting first with my beef. Guys, if you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel, okay? And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the bell notification if you have not clicked on the bell notification, all right? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So now I'll be adding in my deboned mackerel fish. I'm just going to mix everything together until all the proteins marries very well with the sauce. So guys, I tested for salt and needed some adjustment. I'm just going to be adding in salt now. And then I'm going to stir everything together to properly combine all of this together. I'm going to cover this pot now and then I'll allow this to fry for 2 minutes. Sorry guys, I didn't know my camera didn't capture the fact I added my crayfish and my pumpkin leaf. So guys, at this point our vegetable is ready. You just have to turn off your heat because you don't want to overcook your vegetable. You still want it looking fresh at the time you want to eat it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying out this recipe? Do not forget to subscribe, like, and do all that good stuff to this channel. What will you be enjoying this vegetable sauce with? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, this vegetable came out so delicious. Like I said guys, you can enjoy this meal with your swallow. It goes well with swallow, it goes well with yam, plantain, and even rice. So this is me enjoying with my rice and my fried plantain. Thank you so much guys for watching, and do not forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel, and do not forget to leave your thoughts for me in the comment section, okay? And if you are someone that is trying to lose weight, this meal is also for you. You can try out this meal. You can even eat it like that without even pairing it with anything, okay? It's also filling. Until I come your way next time guys, please stay safe. Bye.